Okay, YouTube, here I am with my new project. This is a 1985 ATC 250SX. I don't know if you can see that there. There you go. I got this bike last week and I've been a little busy. I haven't been able to touch it, so it's been sitting. The guy who I got it from, he told me that it's been sitting in his backyard for like at least 5 years, so he didn't know too much about it. So I just changed the oil, put 2 quarts of this ATV T10W40, and seems like I'm gonna need a little more. Yeah, I don't know, you can really see it, but I think it's probably gonna need a little more than 2 quarts. So anyways, I put some, first thing I checked they didn't have any electricity in the system, so I went ahead and I put some PV blaster on the controls, and I got some spark, so I put gas here direct to the carburetor, because my fuel tank is very rusted and have leaks, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. There you go. Back to life. So I'm gonna keep working on this one, and I'm gonna be posting more videos of and updates about my project. Thank you.